Good morning, students. Today our topic is letter writing, and the example is you are Ashish Astha, a resident of 15 Mall Road, Agra. You are worried to see your younger brother's frequent habit of using internet as a homework tool. Write a letter to the editor of a famous newspaper expressing your concern over the youth who seem to be so dependent upon the computers in the present times. So, firstly, we will write the address 15 Mall Road, then Agra. Then date 29/9/2020. Then the editor, the Times of India, New Delhi. Then sir, that is salutation, as I have already explained you. Then subject, expressing concern over students' craze for using internet as homework tool. Now we will start through the column of your esteemed newspaper. I wish to highlight the problem of growing addiction of the present generation to using internet as a homework tool. In many ways, internet is a boon for the students. It is one of the quickest ways to find information on any topic. Students can make use of a variety of sources to gather information on any topic and thus enrich their knowledge and go beyond what they have learnt. As less time is consumed owing to the ready-made answer to the query of the student on internet, they can utilize the time thus saved on other recreational activities. However, it seems that internet is more disadvantageous than advantageous to students. It has been observed that students' reading habits and thinking skills have been disappearing as they just copy information and show no interest in listening to the teacher in school. As excess of everything is bad, a balanced, sensible and guided use of internet is required so that our present generation enjoy the fruit of technology. I hope you will publish my views in public interest. Yours truly, Ashish Astha. So, in this way, we will write the letter. Now, your homework is our metropolitan cities witness a large number of accidents every day. What do you think is the reason? What can be done to bring down the rate of accidents? Write a letter in 120 words to the editor of a national daily expressing your concern and offering solutions to this problem. You are Aruna, 112 Model Town, Delhi. So, Note down your homework. Are metropolitan cities witness a large number of accidents. A large number of accidents. Every day, what do you think? Every day, what do you think? Is the reason. What can be done to bring down? What can be done to bring down the rate of accidents? Write a letter in 100, 120 words to the editor of our national daily, expressing your concerns and offering solutions to this problem. Solutions to this problem. You are Arun, Aruna. Aruna, 112 Model Town. Model Town, Delhi. So you will do your notebook. So you will do your homework in your notebook. Thank you.